Hello my YouTubers, this is me again for this fourth video of the construction on Laurel Boulevard. Yep, right now it's about like 2:50 p.m. Almost near 3 o'clock. And yeah, they're still working on it. Yep. I wish this shit could just go away. Yep. Looks like it's raining, but might be the high 53, 55 degrees. Long as it's not anything crazy cold. Last time I did a video about the construction, that was previously on the third video, like half an hour ago. It's peace and quiet without any crimes or whatever. I like to enjoy this. When mom and dad gets home, like my parents, I had to turn off the camera. Move on to the fifth video when they ever get home from supermarket or something. Look at these guys shaking hands. Staff members, yeah. Truck is right over there. It's just for bulldozers and such. There's a police car passing by. You want to go like a little bit closer? Yep. This is my first 2 years of having this, my camera. I got it in 2020. Yep. This is the first 2 years. We haven't had any big snowstorms. We only had like a little icy snowstorms recently last month. The house next door to my house, they were fixing it up. Because that neighbor that we had, she never fixed up a house. I first went there once to bring up the oven and whatever, with my family members. Her house is a mess. And there was a dripping on her light or something from the bathroom. Must be the kids were just playing around with it. The neighbor's kids. You don't have to worry about that anymore. And they're just kind of noisy too, these neighbors. They fight. Sometimes they use drugs. I hate that smell. Thank God they're out of there. Never return to Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Stay in Allentown where you belong. That's how last week I saw the U-Haul truck parked over there at this house. Still with the bulldozers. Somebody's carrying a child in the carriage. Been in my first 11 years of selling eBay items when I did it in New York in the beginning of 2012. Sorry. You know, I hate cell phones. I've never even been to Allentown. Probably I want to go like Lehigh Valley Mall in the future. It's only like a 1 hour drive. It's just like a 1 hour drive to go to Berkshire and Reading. Look at this, the construction still. I wish they'd just go away. That's why I'm videotaping it. For a video album. Hold on. They're still working on it. Right now it's about 3:02 in the afternoon, 53 degrees in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. They're still working on it. So here they are now, and thank you for sticking around for this 4th video. Comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like these other videos. I'll see you later for more updates. Bye.